Goa. It is the Constitution itself which gave them that responsibility, that authority and mandate. Where in Article 7 of the Philippine Constitution, which is the grant of legislative power, can this committee arrogate upon itself that particular mandate? I would like that question to be answered, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Marcoleta. The Chair would like to recognize the Honorable Congressman Pablo.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, just to clear it up with regards to the jurisprudence that's cited by the Honorable Marcoleta with regards to Ong versus Siri. That is true. Now that the resolution of the Supreme Court favors Ali or Ong, but that is a question of due process because Lincoln Ong was that time was citing contempt. Now, question the case of.
Mr. Chair, I direct the question to you.
I have not yet finished my manifestation of answer the query of Honorable Marcoleta. Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, was the honorable.
Congressman Marcoleta would like to recognize.
Mr. Chairman, I have
Mr.
also
Chair, the question was addressed to the chair. With respect to the chair, I'd like the chair to answer. This is a constitutional issue.
Congressman Marcoleta, let me first recognize Congressman Pablo.
Before you answer, before you recognize him,
Congressman Marcoleta, you are out of order.
I deserve, Mr. Chair, an answer.
1 minute suspension of the clerical chair. We need a show, the chair would like to recognize.
Honor, I would like to recognize Honorable Joseph Lolo Lara, the 3rd District of Bayan, Honorable Roberto T. Uy Jr., Vice Chairperson from the 1st District of Zamboanga del Norte, Honorable Loreto Esamante from the 3rd District of Laguna, Honorable Raul Daniel A. Manuel from Kabataan Party List, Deputy Majority Leader Jude A. Asime from Timog Party List, Deputy Majority Leader Franz Estabaret from the 3rd District of Quezon City, Honorable Daphne A. Labot from the 6th District of Cebu, Honorable Ray Rabe.
This is a way from us. So we want to sit together so that we can confer easily with each other. Please, thank you.
May I proceed, Mr. Chair?
Would you put it in motion?
I move that we strike out the word pagwawalas.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Yes, the Honorable Senior Deputy Speaker is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. It's almost 3 o'clock. The speaker will address the body before 3 o'clock. May move for a temporary suspension. And then after, we will convene. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Is there any second to the motion? Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
So can we just ask our guests to please wait here. Natapusin lang po namin yung deadline duties namin kasi kailangan na po namin magpapagpapagpapag. Or kung wala naman po kayo masyadong mahalagang gawin.
Mr. Chair, we reiterate our request for OVP personnel to sit together so that we can confer easily with each other while we are on suspended. Yes, sir. So when we're doing nothing, sir, when we rearrange the seats, sir, already. Okay,